Okay, it's finally here. It's pretty heavy. Hey, it's Shirley. I ended up getting the Dyson Airwrap Long in the Vinca-Blue-Rosé color. And I am a complete Dyson Airwrap noob. I've never used it before, so this is gonna be truly a first impressions unboxing. But I am really excited. After watching people use it for forever, I've just been like, okay, I'm finally gonna get it. They had a Black Friday deal for previous owners of Dyson, so I just decided to treat myself. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. So it comes with 3 additional attachments. It has this paddle brush, a wide tooth comb, and I think this travel case. And then it indicates what each slot is for, which is nice, I guess, to have a designated travel pouch. Here are the attachments. I think one thing that's different about this version is that each attachment you can change just by pulling this knob. You can change the direction of the airflow so that you don't need to use different attachments for each side of your hair. So this is the thicker inch and this is the thinner one. Here is the body, and then a round brush attachment, and then I'm not sure what the difference is between these 2 brushes, but I think they're both meant to smooth your hair. I already have pretty straight hair, and I don't really generally like my hair to be super sleek and straight, so I don't really know if I'll use these too much, but I will look into what these are. And then this is supposed to be just a filter cleaning brush. And then this is the actual blow dry attachment. I think there's a concentrator if you move it around. So I think the air actually comes out of here, but then you can use this to like concentrate it, I think. I don't know. I'm not exactly sure how it works, but we will figure it out together. First things first, I'm gonna prep my hair, put some product in it, and hopefully that'll help it stay longer. I'm first gonna use K18 because my hair is bleached and really damaged, and so I just like to put this in my hair like every week or so, just because I feel like it really helps repair my hair. I start putting it on the ends and then go up the hair shaft. Then I'm gonna use some of the Bedhead Motor Mouth styling cream. This one I'm actually used to putting it in my roots first because it's more of a volumizing cream, but I'm gonna try to get it all throughout my hair this time. I'm gonna do another pump of this because I usually only use one for my roots, but since I'm doing like all of my hair, I don't know, I just feel like I should coat the ends a little bit more. Lastly, I'm gonna use some heat protectant spray. This one is from Verb. I know the Dyson's supposed to be less heat damage, but I just feel like it can't hurt to put a little bit of heat protectant in your hair. Okay, my hair is like really sopping wet right now. Let's try and blow dry it a little bit. think my hair is somewhat dry. I'm gonna try the curling attachment. I think I'm gonna try the bigger one for today. I guess you can use this to change the direction of the airflow so that you can use it for both sides of your hair. I don't know which way is which yet, so let's figure that out right now. Okay, there's an unlock button on the body that you have to press before you can attach anything, I've learned. Okay. Okay, I realized my hair is probably still too wet because, as you can see, there are pieces of hair that just aren't being picked up by the Dyson Airwrap. I think because they were just too wet and heavy and clumpy. Also, I think I should have brushed my hair first so that it was like nice and uniform and neat. So next time I will definitely be going through with a drying brush before curling. I'm learning as I go. There's definitely a bit of a learning curve to this. But honestly, it ends up turning out okay, I think, for a first try. You'll see. Okay, I'm gonna give these like a minute to cool down before I brush it through. Looks a little crazy right now, but I'm sure it'll settle down once I brush it through. I will say, because I'm recording and I'm looking at how long it's been about 25 minutes. I usually don't spend any time on my hair. I like maybe will blow dry it for 2 minutes and then just let it air dry. So this is definitely like longer than I typically spend on my hair, but also sometimes my hair looks like trash because I literally don't pay any attention to it at all whatsoever. If I were to curl my hair, I could probably do that in like 10 minutes, but I've been practicing that for a lot longer than using the Dyson. And I think if I like had to have my hair done, you can't really curl your hair after you shower. So this is a really nice alternative for when like have wet hair and I need to get ready and I want to look nice. Okay, it's been a little while, so I think that I'm gonna brush these through. One thing I realized is that I probably should have dried my hair more. I thought that you needed really wet hair for the Dyson Airwrap, like the curler attachment, to work, but I actually think that I can feel the top of my head and it's still a bit damp right now, and like pieces of my hair kind of struggle to get into this, and I think the reason for that was just because it was still a little bit too wet. Next time I'll definitely dry my hair more till it's like more damp instead of wet, because I think that it was honestly just too wet to stick to this sometimes. Like you could see there were pieces that just wouldn't hold. But yeah, my hair feels pretty dry now. I don't usually brush through my hair. I honestly feel like I can just finger comb through it. I might go through and just dry the top of my head some more because it's just still damp. Okay. I will say my hair never feels this lightweight and bouncy when I curl it with a curling iron or a curling wand. Like it just feels really like light and fluffy, if that makes sense. I think that the curls could use some refinement on my part. I think that's just part of the learning curve, honestly, but I really like how my hair feels. Like, it feels really lightweight and like really bouncy. You can also tell this side of my hair was definitely drier when I started doing it because I did it second, and the curls are definitely just a little bit better. They're bouncier and they lasted longer, whereas on this side they kind of already fell, and I think the reason why is just because my hair was still too wet, and so I think that it just fell because it was still, even after curling it, I think it was still a little bit damp, and so the curls fell really easy. Like you can see here, it's already really straight. So lesson learned for next time. I'm gonna keep trying to figure this out, and then I will report back with results. So this is second day hair. I did end up putting in a little bit of hairspray yesterday and then slept in it, and this is decent for having been slept in. I think my curls only last if I hairspray them, even when I use a curling wand, so I just am used to using hairspray, and it still feels like very light and touchable and bouncy. It's kind of just like these loose voluminous waves, which I actually might like more than how they were when they were freshly curled yesterday. It just looks like kind of wavy and voluminous and tousled, but not like perfect ringlets. I think I'm gonna try again curling with my hair like drier, and just like with more practice, I'm confident that my curls can be better than this. But this is honestly not bad for a first try, for second day, first try hair. I think I can do better than this, but I mean, yeah, I don't know. This is not bad, honestly. So that concludes my Dyson first impressions, first try video. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any tips for how to improve / make these last longer, because I honestly am really into this, please comment below and let me know. And don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again soon.